Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super easy donut recipe. So if you enjoy making quick and easy recipes, please hit a like down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to first start off with our dry ingredients, and right here I have my flour, and you guys don't worry, I will have everything listed down below in the description. Next we'll be adding our baking powder, then our salt, and lastly we'll be adding some sugar. Now we're just going to mix our dry ingredients together just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now we're going to be adding our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients, starting off with our milk. Now we're going to be adding our melted butter. Next, we're going to be adding some vanilla extract. And lastly, we're going to be adding 1 egg. Now we're just going to mix our ingredients until we get a nice and smooth batter. And you might have to add a little more milk, so just keep eyeballing it as you mix. So I'm just going to be adding my batter to a squeeze bottle, as you can see here, and I'm just going to fill my donut pan, which I'm using a Dash donut maker, and I will leave that down below so you guys can, purchase one for yourself and try this recipe. I want to say thank you guys so much for helping me get to 11K. I do appreciate it. It has been a goal for me to just grow my channel and just continue to put great content out. So I do appreciate you guys for always tuning in, liking, and leaving comments. And I do see when you guys share, so thank you for sharing me out. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker. I like to do quick and easy recipes, and I try to get posting out at least once to twice out of the week. So please have your post notification bells on so you do see when I post. And again, thank you for becoming a part of the community. Now we're just going to let these cook until the green light pops on. And guys, I am so sorry, but I took these off before I can show you guys how to take these out. So it's pretty self-explanatory. All you got to do is just get a fork and flip them out. It's a non-stick pan, so they don't stick. So now we're going to start with our toppings, which right here I'm going to be melting a variety of chocolate, which right here I have white chocolate, and I'm also going to be doing some semi-sweet chocolate. So you guys already seen how I melt these chocolates down. You pretty much just break these up in their portions and then add like a tablespoon of coconut oil and just microwave on 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. So off camera, I went ahead and took the donuts out and I let them cool down. And once they're cool, we're going to go ahead and dip it into our white chocolate. And then we're going to set them over to the side and add our toppings. And you can add whatever toppings you want, but you want to make sure you be quick about it while the chocolate is still melted. That way they don't set without you putting your toppings on. So I put the remainder of the white chocolate inside of this bag, and I'm just going to cut the tip out just so I can drizzle it over the top of the remainder chocolate covered donuts. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these inside the refrigerator just so the chocolate can set and we can get ready for packaging. Y'all, look how cute these came out. I really hope you guys try this. It's really easy and it's fun to do with the kids, especially since you can control the sugar. Let me know down below, what toppings would you put on top of your donuts? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you got inspired to try a new recipe. And until the next video, you guys, stay safe out there and peace.